So grilled octopus, one of my favorite things to eat no matter how it's prepared is octopus. It's pretty polarizing. You either like it or you hate it. I really love octopus. So today I'm going to be doing my grilled octopus. I've made this multiple times. It comes out great. I have a pot of boiling water. I'm going to be very non-specific with my ingredients. I put in some oregano, dried. I've got some fresh rosemary, some dried parsley, some dried thyme, a couple juniper berries, and some black peppercorns, and a whole lemon cut up and squeezed into here. I have a 2-pound octopus. That's how I buy mine. They're around 2 pounds frozen. Beaks removed and cleaned. Once I got my water boiling, I'm going to pick up the octopus tentacles down and dip it into the water a few times. Now what this really does is just kind of cause the tentacles to curl up, and it gives it a better presentation, and it's a little easier to grill once it's on the grill when the ends are kind of curled up. So after they kind of curl up nicely like you see, I'm going to drop it into the pot, and I want a slow simmering boil. Depending on the size of the octopus, this is kind of a tenderize and remove the skin. So I let my 2-pound octopuses go almost about 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour in that simmering boil. A shallow casserole dish, put olive oil, juice of half a lemon. I've got some candied jalapenos in here and the juice from the candied jalapenos, and just about everything else from the boiling water. I've got herbs, and I've got a couple cloves of minced garlic in there as well. After my hour, I'm going to dump the boiling octopus here into this pan with cold water running and throw some ice on top of it to let it chill. Let the cold water run until it gets to a temperature that I can handle it. So the next step is basically removing the tentacles. I'm going to remove the tentacles, and I'm going to cut them in kind of eating pieces, grilling pieces. I can pick these up and eat them or dip them in a sauce, but mostly my favorite thing to do with them is put them on a salad after they're grilled and eat them cold, like grilled with a regular salad with a vinaigrette on it. So after I got done with this, I actually went up a little bit further up towards the body and got some more of the tentacles out. Like you can see, I'm kind of going up high enough there, but so once this is all cut up and ready to go into the pieces, I'm going to put it into my marinade, kind of stir it up. I let it go overnight. This one I let go for about 12 hours in the marinade. Mixing it every once in a while, kind of stirring it up together so it gets all the lemon juice and good herbs and everything like that. All right, so now onto a hot grill after the 12 hours. Get some nice char on there. Grill it up real nice, give it a little smoky flavor. And here's our final product.